Yo, what's up, guys? Back at it with day 22 of market mental state. So today, um, I'm not really sure what I want. All I know is that it's gonna depend on what we do with this 1 hour gap. If we disrespect it, we're bullish. If we're respecting it, we're bearish. We have good draws on both sides, and then in the higher time frame, we've kind of been just chopping around since yesterday. Basically, that trade I took yesterday, that was high of day. So if we did want to go higher, we would have went higher. But I guess we didn't want to. So it is what it is. Um, yeah, I mean, right now there's not really anything to really answer off of. We just have to wait. So yeah, this is what I wrote down. Alright, well, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I just entered a trade. I wasn't going to, but I saw this set up, so I was like, alright, I'm just gonna take this. It's pretty good setup. I mean, in the higher time frame, we're bearish. We have a really good draw that we edged. It could just have relatively equal lows, but this is a really good draw on liquidity right there. And then 50-minute, we're respecting this gap. I don't really see us going any higher for any reason, honestly. The only reason I would see us is maybe just because we just want to be bullish. On the higher time frame, on the 5-minute, these gaps right here, we might want to go down to. Once we touch this 5-minute gap, I'm gonna go break even. Yeah, and then what we did was we came up, we swept out this SMT. No M or SMT in the highs, but we swept it out, and now we were seeing a nice, displacement down, we versus gap. Honestly, this trade looks pretty good. So I was pretty confident with the drawn liquidity earlier. I was really confident for this, but just right now it's just way too low. It's just I feel like that's asking for too much right now. Yeah, we'll wait and see. If I lose this trade, I don't really give a fuck, honestly. So all I know is it has everything it has everything you really need in a trade. You could just say it's not gonna work because it's slowing down, but every trade has a possibility to win and lose, no matter how good or bad. So yeah, I mean, it has literally everything you need. Higher time frame is good, nice high time frame rejection point. Nice. You had an inverse. So, and then also we sweeped it out with LRL right here. All right, so now I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and I'm gonna go break even. It might create SMT off those lows. Kind of suck if we did, but it is what it is. I just end up with a break-even trade for today. I really, really, really don't want. I don't want to break even, but is that the best point to rejection? Yes. Just fucking break even, bro. If I lose my trade, I lose my trade. This is where we start, not following your system. I said that was gonna be my break-even point. That's gonna be my break-even point. Even I get emotional. You just have to learn how to be, you have to learn how to control your emotions. So yeah, right now I'm probably gonna get stopped out though. So it is what it is. you can just see the like this. Yeah, I'm gonna stop there right now. You can just see for the difference in the indexes. One tap touch this 5 minute gap. This other one is just not going any lower. If we see ES go lower, we're gonna go lower on NQ. Somehow I did not. Somehow no, I barely did not get break even, but you know we still can. Hopefully not, but you know it is what it is. Like you know today, people, you know this is why social media is not good. I look at Instagram, I see Blake, Patrick, I see them, you know, winning. Yesterday I lost, and today it might be a break-even day, and they won today and yesterday. So, but I don't know. I used to care about that, but now I just know I have my own system. It's very similar to like I have the same strategy basically, but we just have different times we enter. They enter something I didn't like, right? And I'm gonna enter something I like, and they might not like this. And that's the difference, though. My system shows I'm profitable, and their system shows they're profitable. So I'm gonna continue entering on what I think is good, and they're gonna continue entering on what they think is good, and it's just gonna, you know, we're both being profitable. We're just gonna take different trades. It is what it is. That's how trading is. Everybody sees the markets a different way. So let's see what happens right here. Core durable goods. FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm probably not gonna trade. I mean, I'm just gonna look at the charts, but most of the time with FOMC minutes, start chopping around. Just anything with FOMC, just start chopping around. So. Yeah, and plus if we're just reacting off of every single 1 minute sweep, then it just shows we're in like choppy price action. I just don't really even want to be in this trade. So yeah, if we just start reversing from me after sweeping out this low, I'm gonna be kind of glad I got break even. But I don't know, from what I'm seeing ES, it feels like we're gonna go lower. So I can just tell. Like I don't know. I guess I'm in the flow state right now, but you kind of just tell the way it's moving. We're slowly, going down. And it sucks whenever you get edged, though. I've gotten edged multiple times before. I only have one account. These other accounts are basically blown, but I only have like one account, so I really don't really care about losing anymore. Like, I don't know why people want to start off with 10 accounts. So just start with one, because one everybody can deal with. I can lose $30. I don't really give a fuck. And yeah, if we just get a random pump candle to my break even, that would kind of suck. But I guess it is what it is. Nothing I can really do about it. Just gotta accept it, man. Well, just because I'm saying it doesn't mean it has to happen. So the 5 minutes about to close pretty soon. If we can close below this gap, that would be ideal. Let's see what happens. Still haven't touched this gap on ES. We could just create an SMT right here. I guess we already did in the 1 minute. And just continue higher, I guess. There's always a possibility. But just because it's SMT doesn't mean, we'll continue higher either. Every single thing in trading is unpredictable. That's the one thing I've noticed. Every single thing, it's kind of scary. I mean, you're risking all your money. You're risking your money. You're betting your money on something that's super unpredictable. Like right now, we can lead SMT. Boom, I get break even. I could barely get break even, or they can come up here randomly. I don't know where the fuck's up here, but they can come up here and just reject lower to my TP, and that's it. Or you can come all the way up here to my stop loss and then go all the way down. Like this is not. Nothing is ever guaranteed. Trading is super unpredictable. That's why you have to have your data, and that's why you have to have your probabilities. Like if I didn't have my backtesting data, I know that I'm profitable. Honestly, I would kind of be questioning what the fuck do I do? Like, what do I do? Like every single trade I take can lose. Every single trade I take can win. It's kind of scary. It's like what the fuck? I don't. It's like I don't even know how to trade. But that's exactly the point though. Every trade can win. Every trade can lose. As long as you have your system and you know that you're profitable over a certain time, and break even right there, bro. Yeah. Well, yeah. I don't know why we randomly pumped like that, but it's cool. I hope I didn't get a bad fill or anything. $11 only. Good. Alright. Well, I guess time to write this down. When I was entering this trade, I was pretty confident. I mean, it looked good. And was meh. So marking mental state. Pretty satisfied with how played trend. Good. And today's gonna be another orange day. Was I following my rules here? Yes. Traders, I haven't really had any traders. Statistical losses. I mean, this is not just another statistical loss. Decent setup. Look, see what happens, guys? Like, as you can see, something that I didn't want to happen, but it still happened. I want to thank you, but I had a similar thing. Yeah, it just pumped up, came up here randomly, and then now it's going down to TP. Maybe, or maybe just gonna chop around for us today. Anyways, let me take a screenshot. Decent setup, only problem. Bit was yeah, in my back testing, the inverse doesn't really matter much as long as it's kind of decent. As long as everything's there and the inverse is kind of meh, like the trade can either play out either direction, doesn't really matter. We were consolidating though, so then it could also just be a reason why this did not work out. Maybe for consolidating trades, just like don't even break even anywhere. I mean, I was thinking of not break even anywhere, but I don't know. If I didn't break even, I could also be counted to win, but at the same time, what we're seeing now is hindsight. This trade could literally have pumped up ran, like literally come up, popped up, made an SMT in these hours, and then continue like just exactly. You see his big ass wick. The wick could have been a little higher. We don't know. And trading can do anything. It can do anything. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. And we just made another SMT on the lows. Yeah, it's just time to get off of this. Good. Alright. Then I'll catch you guys some other time. Peace.